Hello everyone, welcome to another digital lecture, class 12th Business Studies. In our last video, we have studied about social responsibilities of management. Now we will discuss about importance of management. Management is very important for every organization. In the absence of management, no organization can run successfully. Society can get maximum benefit only when maximum production is done at minimum cost, and this is possible only by an effective manager. In the modern age, production is taking place on a large scale and competition is getting very high. Therefore, the importance of management is constantly increasing. If proper management is not there in any business, so business cannot achieve the goals and survive for a long time. If management is good, so it will result in growth of the business. And if management is not good, so it will result in failure of the business. In this way, management plays an important role in business. The higher the efficiency of management, the faster will be the economic development. The welfare of society depends to a large extent on the quality of management prevalent in all social organizations. Now we will discuss about first point of importance of management. First point is effective utilization of resources. Management tries to make effective utilization of resources. Management also teaches that how to use the resources in proper way. Effective utilization of resources can be made only on the basis of efficient management. Though efficient management, waste of money can also be stopped. America and Japan have reached the top due to management efficiency. Proper utilization of natural resources is not possible in the absence of efficient management. Second point is development of resources. Management develops human resources and physical resources. Human resources and physical resources play an important role in increasing the area of business. If the quality of human resources is good, so the working quality, ability and skill of the workers will be improved. Different products can be produced with the help of skilled human resources if management will be good and training will be provided from time to time, then efficiency of the workers will be increased. Third point is innovation. Management brings new ideas and visions through which business can be organized and performance of business can also be high. New technologies should be adopted so that more products can be produced in a less time. Production will happen soon. Products will be available in the market soon. The quicker the sale, the more profitable will be. But if you are using new technology, then keep in mind that you have to maintain quality. Fourth point is coordination and team spirit. Coordination means to bring together the activities of an organization. Coordination is essential for achievement of organizational goal where a group of people work together individually and also by all of them collectively as a group. Coordination is required at each level of management. Management helps to maintain coordination between the activities of different departments and strengthen team spirit individually. Management maintains coordination between different resources and makes them dynamic. Study of management is important for us because it helps to maintain coordination among unorganized resources, human, machine, material, money, etc. Fifth point is solution of problem. Goods and inefficient management, it like a friend which helps us to solve the business problems and also helps to perform the business task. Sixth point is dynamic character. Management is a dynamic function. Organizations have to survive in dynamic environment. Efficient management motivates employees to adopt changes willingly. That change is not only beneficial for organization but it improves the employees' work also in the competitive world. Management has to get changed according to the changes in the environment. A business runs in a dynamic environment. So changes always occur in the business. Main reason of occurring changes are change in nature, change in price and change in fashion, etc. So in that case, management plays an important role. It helps the workers to easily accept the changes. Seventh point is for facing competition. In present time, business is becoming hard and competitive. All businesses want to produce more products at minimum cost, and the business which can face competitions only that can survive for a long time. Only an efficient management is able to prepare a strong strategy regarding product planning, financial planning, sales planning, motivation, coordination, etc. An efficient management makes a business strong and helps to face competitions. Eighth point is for development and growth of business. Land, capital and labor are required in large quantity for the growth of new and current business. For this, a business man has to face many legal formalities and complications. He has to take opinion of some special persons or experts like accountant, engineer, legal advisor, finance specialist, etc. Modernization is very necessary in business also. So for taking care of all these things, management is very important. Ninth point is for adjustment of traditional and modern technology. New research and inventions are happening in the coming days with a view to coordinate traditional technology and modern technology. But all new methods should be adopted. This is also not suitable for business. Sometimes the traditional method is more appropriate than the modern method. Only managers can make the right decision on the subject that it is not right to the extent of modern technology. So today we understood importance of management. If you have any doubt related to these topics, so write below in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you very much.